Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel VOCAB Jab, where we bring one new word every day to add to your vocabulary. So our today's word is expanse. What does expanse means? Expanse means a large open area of land, sea, sky, etc. Few similar words to expanse are spread, reach or stretch. So our first sentence is a vast expanse of greenery lay before us. This means that there's a vast area of green land before us. We can see a vast area covered with greenery before us. So a vast expanse of greenery lay before us. Here is a second example. She gazed at the immense expanse of the sea. This means that she was staring at the immense spread of the sea. So, she gazed at the immense expanse of the sea. So, here is a final example. There are vast expanses of empty seats. This means there's a huge area of empty seats here. So, there are vast expanses of empty seats. So, here's hoping you will use the word expanse in at least one of the sentences you formed today. And we'll see you tomorrow with a new word. Stay tuned. Thank you.